Bombay pa yata yan.
Where's my house? Engineer,
over there.
Engineer Makalimot.
Over there, sir.
Okay. Huwag mong sabihin na ano baka mabaging tayo na ano pala ako Bisayang engineer, baking engineer Bisaya. My building, my project.
Here.
Where? Oh no.
No, no.
It's a beautiful glass. Or stall.
Installer.
Installer. Ano pala Tagalog ng install?
Kabit.
Magkabit ng salamin?
Oo, may kabit.
Kabit. So, what's the measurement under the
5 feet?
floor?
Only 5 feet, sir.
5 feet.
Yeah. The door is 5 feet.
5 feet.
Height.
Start the floor above.
Yeah, 5 feet.
Okay.
It's very small.
Okay.
Short.
No, it's not, wrong. It's not, no.
Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay?
You look at the measurement, 90? 90? Right?
Yeah, 3 feet.
Repeat. Okay.
3 feet and 5.
Okay. Wait. No. And it's not good like this. Oh. No. Ano yung sabihin nun? Yung hindi, maganda? 14? Ano ba yun? Tama?
14 inches, sir.
14 inches? Wide. 18 ano ito? 18 inches ba?
Hindi ka po marunong magbasa ng number? Ano yan, sir?
Engineer ako, engineer. Nakalimutan ko.
18 po yan. 18 po.
Yung nag-graduate ako, matagal na.
Matagal na.
Oo, yung... nakalimutan ko na basa ng number.
19.
Okay. I will go back to